how to record shows on Superbox. Now, first things first, if you go ahead and go directly to mysuperboxtv.com's official site, you can see that they have a newly released S6 Ultra. So if you go ahead and dig deep into the specifics of the featured products that they actually have four different models. They have Superbox S6 Pro, S6 Ultra, S6 Max, S5 Max. So as you notice that there aren't that plenty of changes that they have for these kinds of models, except for S5 Max. So S5 Max, they do not have just a small bit of a feature what the rest of the devices has. So basically, there are tons of features for Superbox TV, but the only question that we have left is, can you record any shows in Superbox? So I was actually trying to hover around your FAQs and checked if you can record in Superbox. So you do not need to record TV yourself in Superbox. All devices, because they have a pre-installed playback application that they can access TV news and sports up to the last 7 days directly. So basically, if you go back to the product specifications, they only have a 4 gigabytes of storage, internal storage for all devices. So that's the only thing that you can do for you to be able to store and record shows on Superbox.